Step 1. Click the Setup file to install the software. Step 2. Once installed, insert your memory card into a card reader and plug it into your computer. Please note that accessing the card will automatically format it. Make sure to back up any important files beforehand. Follow the prompts to complete the formatting. Close the window once the formatting is finished. Step 3. Wait for the data to load.